Baraka is a blind rhino. However, all animals may be unpredictable. You approach Baraka at your own risk and or PAJETA, innit? Yes, Baraka.
It's okay, it's okay. He's flapping the ears. The ears
Is she or he?
He.
He's blind and is the last one of the
C'est des mouches, ouais.
black rhinos left.
Il a une plaie, ouais.
Oh. We have the keeper with us, and he's the one who just brought us next to Baraka, which is just resting on the floor here and very calm.
It's only for white.
Yeah, for black.
For black.
Black.
Yeah, it's for black.
Poor rhino. The last of its kind. Black rhinos sleep during the day and go graze during the night. His ears has been cut for edification.